We know that as these kids learn how to do digital marketing, how they learn how to create content, they learn how to sell advertisements, do play-by-play and broadcast, and use this equipment as an asset to them and to their future. It's just going to build better and smarter kids, and that's really what we're doing it for.
We do have a class here that is called Video Tech that we at least would like to look at students being able to create some content. It'd be cool for kids to be up here running this and having a lot of buy-in, ownership, doing all this on their own. I mean, there's a lot of internships that kids can get, especially when you get to the collegiate level. And I know they're looking for those people, and they're giving them scholarships and wanting them to help in those booths and everywhere else in which they're using the technology.
Our goal with the video boards is to integrate it with our career technical education programs and to have our students start to run it, our students to start to set up the interface, our students to be an integral part of a game atmosphere and setting that tone. We're going to make a production similar to what they do at the university level, and we're going to prepare our kids that are running those systems to be able to go to a university level. And just like a 5-star kid in football, we're going to have 5-star kids in video tech. They're going to be wanted all over the country.
Because the day that we see one kid from Idaho High School go on and get a big job somewhere, or even an internship at a college, and we don't care if it's a junior college, NAI, Division II, Division I, we don't care. Because all that education and that experience is priceless. So the day we see that, we're going to celebrate. And it's going to happen sooner than later.